Diri na. Yes. What are you saying? Wow. Chibis, sinasabi mo. O, ako nangangawit ako. Sing ka na lang. Yad, sing. Sing ka, dali. Come on, sing si Yaj. Oo, natatanggal ay. Dahan-dahan. Para hindi matanggal yung nalagay mo na. This is your show. This is time.
That's wrong.
What is that, Yaj? Oops! Nahulog. Pulutin mo yung nahulog. Yaj, pulutin mo yung nahulog. Oops! Dahan-dahan kasi. Chibis ka dyan. Stop saying chibis. Kulit. Yaj is makulit. Makulit-kulit. Yaj is makulit. Makulit-kulit. Yaj is makulit.
Sorry. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas ka dyan. Hello, tapos na Christmas.
Tapos na yan.
Oo. Ayusin mo. Nagugulo naman yung tinapos mo na eh. Yaj, nagugulo na yung ginawa mo. Ayusin mo yun.
Mamaya, later.
Tama, later. Pag hindi mo alam. Wow, very good. That's correct. Correct ba yan? Let me see. Bakit mo tinatanggal? Masisira yan. Huwag mo nang alisin. Pag... Ayan, natutuklap na yun. Didikit natin yan para hindi matuklap. Okay?
Where his eye and teeth.
Where his eyes and teeth. Konti na lang to. Yes, may nahulog. Arrange mo to para hindi ka nahirapan maghanap. Ay. Ngawit na ako. Bilisan mo. Oh, it's a mushroom. Lapit na matapos Yaj. Oh. Lapit na matapos Yaj. Oh. Malapit nang matapos yan.
Later.
Okay, later yan. Pag hindi mo makita, later na lang. Oh. Pati ba naman yun? Alam mo yung kanta? Bulalo? Ha? Bilisan mo. Ay, nako. Dahan-dahan ka. Masisira yung ginawa mo. Ay, malapit nang matapos. Dahan-dahan.
Mamaya.
Mamaya. That's mamaya. That's mamaya. That's mamaya.
That's wrong.
Okay, that's wrong. Oo nga, that's wrong. Wow, that's correct. Very good. Hindi malapit nang matapos siya. Where is that? Where is that? Wow. Hindi malapit nang matapos siya. Oh. Malapit na. Malapit nang matapos. Malapit na. Tingnan natin. Wow. Oh, mabubuo na ni Yaj. Very good si Yaj. Wow. Malapit na. Wow. Malapit na. Dali. Yes. Dali. Last two. Oo. Teka, parang may kulang na isang puzzle. Yung nahulog na puzzle kanina, asan? Nandyan yata sa side. There. Finally! Yay! Wow, let me see. What is that? Can you read? Can you read that? You read this.
Fun with puzzles.
What is this?
Hi, mouse and their babies.
Oh. What is this? What do you call the baby? What is this?
England.
And? What is this?
Monkey.
How about this?
Of cat and giraffe.
Very good. Cough and giraffe. This one.
Calf and rhinoceros.
Wow. How about this one?
Calf and elephant.
And this one.
Calf and bear.
This one.
Fawn and deer.
This one.
Pig and rabbit. Hyenas and cub.
Wow. Urong. What is this?
Tigress and cub.
This one.
Hippopotamus and cow.
This one.
Calf and cow.
This one.
Horse and horse.
This one.
Sheep and lamb.
How about this one?
Owl and kid.
Wow. This one.
Five and dog.
Wow. Very good, Yaj. Smile, Yaj. Smile. Again. Oy. Stand properly. Come on. You say hi. Finally. What is this? Complete na? Huh? Complete. It's done. Congratulations, Yaj. Guluhin mo na ulit. Pwede na. Buuin mo ulit.
Sobrang haba na yung